In this needlepointer.com's tutorial, I am going to demonstrate how to do the M1R, make one right, and M1L, make one left, increases in knitting. This knitting increase involves working in the bar between two stitches, and this is the bar between the two stitches. Let's begin with the M1R, which is make one right. To make one right increase, insert the tip of the left hand needle under the bar from back to front between the last stitch you knitted and the next stitch to be knitted. You lift the loop onto the left hand needle. Notice how the stitch is slightly towards the right. You're going to be knitting into the front of the stitch. To make it a little easier, lift up the stitch with the right hand needle, then insert the right hand needle into the front loop and knit. Okay, let's do that again so you can see how to do that again. I'll knit a couple stitches. Okay, with the left hand needle, insert it under the bar from the back to the front. To make it easier to knit, just loosen the stitch a little bit, insert the needle into the loop, wrap the yarn around, and you have now made an increase. That is the make one right increase. Now let's learn how to make one left increase. I'm going to knit a couple stitches. Okay, for this one, what you're going to do is you're going to put the left hand needle under the bar, but this time it's from the front to the back. Let me move it over. And now if you notice, the stitch is slightly slanted toward the left, this loop that's up there. For this one, you're going to knit into the back of the loop. Okay, let me knit a couple, and then we'll do that again just to make sure you understand how to do it. Again, to make one left, you take the tip of your left hand knitting needle, insert it under the bar from front to back, and then you knit in the back loop. That's it. It's that easy. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial and it has been helpful. Please like, share, and comment. Subscribe to our channel and follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter. To follow us, click the links in the iCard or also in the description. I hope that you enjoyed this video and decide to visit our website, needlepointers.com, for lots of other knitting information and free projects.